Hey, welcome back for another edition of the weekly prep where I give you guys my best levels and zones for the favorite tickers I'll be trading coming into this week, all the confluences, and most likely give you more of a detailed plan of what my best setup for the week will be. Without further ado, let's get into this. Hey, my name is Ghost. Welcome to my channel where I give out free education, weekly preps, trade recaps. If you like and enjoy this, just hit that like and subscribe and that bell icon for more great educational content. Let's get into it. The first ticker we're going to start with for the week is SPY ETF. We're going into this week on SPY. I see us still holding this demand zone right now. So what I'm looking to see is if we clear this 436.5 level, that'll be probably during this future session. See if we can hold a base above it, and then we could probably go retest that 439 level that we broke last week where we got that massive move down. If we do not hold above this level, I am looking to see this 433.22 level. If it does hold support, maybe we could be bouncing between this $3 range for this week. We'll see how this goes. But I do have a clear, nice bounce level I am watching for this week at 431.73. And then for my key rejection level this week, hopefully if we do get pushed up all the way there, I do like to see us come and retest this top of the zone at 441.54. That'll be a key level I will be watching for another rejection or a break above. But first, we'll be looking to take that rejection up there. So that's it for SPY. Let's get into the next ticker. The next ticker we're looking at is ES Futures, the S&P 500. I am still using the September contract. My contracts are continuous, so the data does roll over. Going into what I see this week, we did get a bounce off of the daily demand zone, and we did go test some few resistances. But now we're stuck in this compression range that I was speaking about on the larger time frame on the hourly. So I want to see if we do get a break out of this range. With SPY Confluence, that'll be that 4036 bounce break level. So I want to see if we do right now when futures open, hold above this 4393.75 level. If we do break above that, we can go test this 4399.25, 4400 whole psych number and see where we can get a hold above. So my key rejection area for this week coming into ES will be this 4411.25. But there is that one rejection level we're going to be watching, that 439 off of SPY. It does line up somewhere around 4407 on ES. So that's something just to pay attention to. And then for the downside projection, if we do get that pushback down, I am looking to see if with Confluence with that SPY 431 bounce, if we can get a 4338.25 bounce Confluence with ES. That's all I'm looking at for ES for this week. Plans always change, but going into the week, that is my plan. Get into the next ticker. Well, coming into the week, next ticker we're looking is QQQ NASDAQ ETF. These are the levels I'm looking at. For QQQ, it did break below the daily demand. So I am looking to see if this is just a retracement and then we get a real touch of the next daily demand. So right now I do have this in a supply zone. I am watching these key levels, 360.22, 361. But this week I will stay patient off of QQQ levels. My main confluence, if I do see us get back to the top of the zone, that it will be my key level rejection on QQQ. Using that one as my key confluence, 363.63. And then if we do push back below, I want to see if we do break this 355 levels. Then we could go target my main bounce level off of QQQ Confluence will be this 350.93. I do believe that's a strong bounce level. We could get some reaction there. So I definitely will be testing that myself. Going into the next ticker. So the next ticker I'm looking at is the NQ Futures, right as if we opened. Probably we could do this a lot better now. So seeing this, we're right at the first resistance I was just about to speak about. We'll see how we could do in this level. If we hold above, I'm looking to see us go target this 14,816.5 level. After that, we should see if we're going to get through all these resistances. My main level, of course, coming into that week, if we do get the strong Retracement back up will be that 15,007 level. And then for the main bounce level, I will not test this bottom of this daily again. NQ did hold its daily zone, so there was divergence between QQQ and NQ. I will be looking to see if we get a bounce level here at this 14,515.75. That's all I'm looking at for NQ. So I haven't done this in my past weekly prep videos, but I'm going to walk you guys through my Confluences, show you guys all the tickers I'm going to be watching, and just walk you through what I'd like to see to enter my best setup for the week, and then see how that goes, and probably continue doing this on the future weekly prep videos. But like I was saying, I'm going to let SPY dictate the majority of my entry for this setup coming to the week. I am looking on SPY's 441.54 for a rejection. But what I would like to see is most likely ES will be trading right around this 430 area as we approach here. So what I could see happening is us getting that tap right above 44.34 as we're just wicking above. So this is how that liquidity sweep in most of my experiences, how it's happened. There'll be a resistance on another ticker as we break another level, and then we'll see this liquidity sweep. So I would like to see us get that push above, tap this 44.34, and start seeing weaknesses. And if it lines up perfectly, QQQ should be around this 363 level. So if I have all three of those coming in together at that setup, I am going to be testing with the 5-minute close below on SPY's 4441.54. I will be entering my put position there and then having my stops with above the 441.54, depending on how far away we get this push off of this 44.34. But that's just something to kind of give you guys an idea of how to play those confluence levels. If you guys do enjoy that type of walkthrough, just comment below, let me know. But that's how I see my best setup for the week. I'll be watching that. And then you can vice versa do that with the bounce levels. So for here, my 431, I am going to see us most likely get this break below 43.38 and tap this 431, and we get this liquidity sweep showing up on ES. And then that should line up somewhere between 352 or 350.93 on QQQ. That is a confluence for a bounce. That's just how my mind works. That's how I enter my positions. I love to have those multiple confluences. I will never go with just one. If I do go with just one, I am very light position. It's just a tester pretty much. And I do have a more flexible stop on that one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly prep video. Hope I gave you guys some insight, some education. I hope you guys make lots of money coming into this week. Appreciate you guys. Peace.